Step number 1, send this simple keyword to ChatGPT. Step number 2, copy this entire text that this AI tool has generated for you. Come over to this tool that will automatically generate done-for-you videos, just like you're seeing on the screen over here, with done-for-you footage, done-for-you captions, and done-for-you voiceover by pasting the text that you've just copied into this tool. Doing this, I've been able to reach tens of thousands and even up to hundreds of thousands of views on Facebook Reels, which I've been able to monetize and generate various different streams of revenue, anywhere between $20 and $200 a day. And the fantastic thing about the strategy is that's only going to grow, because the more and more that you post with, keep in mind, the done for you videos that this AI tool is going to make for you, you're going to reach more and more people, allowing you to get more and more sales, all through becoming a Facebook copycat. Now, we're not going to be copying and pasting other people's work. We're going to be using content that artificial intelligence is going to create for us, and we're just going to copy and paste that onto Facebook. And I'm going to show you a few examples of a couple of people that are doing this on Facebook and generating, well, over tens of thousands of views per video. Take a look at the simple video over here. I'm going to leave it muted, otherwise you won't be able to hear my audio. And all this is a simple animation that artificial intelligence created on amazing facts about a woman's body and health tips for women. So for example, fantastic flexibility given by nature. If I skip through a little bit, a better developed memory, women have lighter sleep, how to gain weight for women. So there's all sorts of tips and tricks and whatever this has come from. But the whole point of this is that this entire video did not include any editing. It didn't include any recording, coming up with scripts, no nothing, because artificial intelligence can generate these videos done for you with one simple click of a button. I want to show you another example of a page that is busy doing this. So if I come over to this page over here called Health Plus, and I scroll down, they've got another video over here, what to eat during a UTI, foods to eat for a UTI, berries, and all of this again is generated with animation and artificial intelligence. This specific video got over 11,000 views on their Facebook page. Here they've got some 1 or 2 pictures, but here's another video, how to relieve back pain in 10 minutes. Again, also generated by AI. This specific video got over 15,000 views on their Facebook page. This video over here, best foods to gain weight and muscle mass, got over 10,000 views on their Facebook page. Another example over here, over 8,000 views. And I can continue and continue, and all this page is doing is producing AI generated content, posting that on their page. And if I scroll up over here, you can see over here they've got a link to their website, which is in Hindi, where you can go and buy all sorts of health products that they offer. So they're using their Facebook page and AI generated content to make money and generate sales on their e-com store. This person on Facebook called QNota is also doing something very similar. They're creating AI generated videos also in the health and fitness niche. How to lose weight with the best weight loss drinks. This video got 15k views, 11k views, 40k views on lose weight fast without exercise, the lazy way. How to lose weight on a plant-based diet. The health benefits of running every day, 1.8k views. Here's another example of another page called Health Tips by Dr. Neha. But this entire page is also just based on artificial intelligence. I mean, you can see that this is clearly AI generated. And I mean, this post had over 46,000 reactions. This post over here, also AI generated, just giving simple health tips, got over 5.2k reactions, which is well over 100,000 views at least. Same with all of these other videos over here. And these types of videos seem to really be taking off on Facebook.com. Now, I've noticed a couple of these pages do and don't have something to monetize their page with. I've seen 1 or 2 with merch. Most I've seen is either they're selling fitness or health programs or an affiliate product that's got to do with health and fitness, which is the approach that we're going to approach this entire strategy, simply because it's the easiest way to sell something. If you're selling merch, you've got to deal with deliveries, you've got to deal with stock consignments and getting those t-shirts or whatever you're selling to your customers, whereas affiliate marketing is super simple. Everything's digital. You don't have to worry about shipping and all of those extra expenses, which is why we're going to focus on that step a little bit later in today's video. But firstly, what we need to focus on in today's video is creating our Facebook page, which is super simple. You can come over to a website called, well, firstly on google.com, business name generator, click on search. You can use the first link over here called Namelix. This is my favorite website to get an idea of different business names or name ideas for my social media themed pages. Let's go and use health and fitness. Click on generate. click on auto, click on next, again click on medium, and click on generate. In a couple of seconds, this website will give you a whole list of plus minus 50 different name ideas that you can use for your Facebook page idea, plus a logo that you can use. So over here we have the Life Fitness Lab, Focus Fit Zone, My Fitness, Wellness Fitness, Fitness Aware, Trust Fit, Tone Body, Dance Fit, Health Pulse, Absolute Healthy. So let's go and use, for example, I like the Life Fitness Lab. You can simply just go and screenshot this logo, save it to Paint, come over to Facebook, create your page, name it the Life Fitness Lab, upload your photo as your logo and as your banner, and you've got a done for you branded page that you just got influence from again another AI tool. So everything is AI generated. So once your Facebook page is complete, again let's just use this example over here of Health Plus, which also is just posting AI content, and they're selling their different health products on their health store. Let's start off in order. I'm first going to teach you how you can go and generate this content, and then how to plug in your product into your Facebook page. Step number 1 is you want to come over to ChatGPT or chat.openai.com, and you want to go and enter the following keyword: 5 smoothie recipes to lose weight. Click on send over here, and ChatGPT will give you an entire answer on different or the top 5 smoothie recipes that you can make to lose weight. Okay, in about a few minutes or a couple of seconds, it will type out this entire answer. And this is the fantastic thing, and where ChatGPT is needed, because this is going to be the foundation of your content, the script of your content. We're then going to be using a second AI tool to turn all of this text by copying and pasting. So again, just highlight your answer, Control C, or right click copy, called InVideo.ai. or InVideo.io, which is an InVideo AI tool where you can go and paste text, which will convert all of your text to video with a simple AI feature. And what this tool does, and what I really like about it, it generates all of the pictures, it generates all of the captions, it generates the done-for-you voiceover. They've really updated this tool nicely since I first found it to make really high retention rate and high watch time and high attention captivating videos for you to post on your page. You can click on the button over here, turn text to video now, no credit card required, so you can create a completely free account. Once you've signed in, a page like this will pop up where you need to give a topic and detailed instructions. What you need to do is click on script to video, create a video, paste your script here, just as is from ChatGPT. For the make background music, you want to go and type upbeat and happy. Any settings, if you want to choose a voice with a young American accent or a Australian accent, an Indian accent, a British accent, any other accent that you can think of here, I'm just going to use the default any voice. Click on continue and click on generate video. The next tab will ask you what type of audience you're looking for. Select health enthusiasts, look and feel bright platform. You want to click on Facebook. Click on continue, and in about a couple of minutes it will generate this done for you video, which I'll show you just in a bit. In a couple of minutes this video will now be done for you. Take a listen to this.
Welcome to our video on delicious and nutritious smoothie recipes. Today we'll be sharing 5 amazing smoothie recipes that are not only tasty but also packed with health benefits. So grab your blender and let's get started. First up, we have the Green Detox Smoothie. This refreshing blend includes spinach, cucumber, green apple, lemon juice, chia seeds, and water or coconut water. Simply blend until smooth, and you'll have a detoxifying and fiber-rich smoothie. Next,
and take a look at the quality of this type of video. Literally every single video that this AI tool has selected lines up perfectly with what ChatGPT has created for you. So that is why I really like this tool, is because it creates super high quality content. Once you're done, you can click on generate, and this video will then be ready to download to your PC and ready to go and post on facebook.com. Then the second part of this video is to then go and plug in our product, which is actually specifically going to be designed as well for smoothies to monetize and make money on your page. Once that video is complete generating, you can click on download, and this video will then download to your PC. All right, ready to go and post onto Facebook and your Facebook page that you've just created with your branding that you've also generated using namelix.com. Righty, the next step that you need to go and do is you need to go and click on clickbank.com. Now, this is the #1 affiliate marketing website in the world, where there is over hundreds, I would say tens of thousands of different products that you can go and promote as an affiliate. And the crazy thing is those products already have done for you funnels, done for you sales pages, done for you checkouts, done for you payment processes. So you don't need to go and pay ClickFunnels, Kartra, or Boulderall, or any funnel building program to go and make these products yourself. They're already there for you, tailor-made for you to go and promote. Now, the only catch is you're not going to get 100% of commissions, or you're not going to get 100% commissions of all the sales. You're only going to get anywhere between 40, sometimes up to 80%, which is 100% fine. It's still a very good percentage that you're keeping per sale. You need to go and click on start here or create a free account. It's completely free. I'm going to log in with my existing account. Once you've signed in with your ClickBank account, you will land on the marketplace that looks like this. Immediately on the search bar, you want to go and search smoothie, click on enter. And the specific product that we're looking for is this product over here, the Smoothie Diet 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program. Now, what I really like about this product is that it has a gravity of 129, which is one of the highest in this niche on clickbank.com out of thousands of products. This means this product is selling over 129 times per month between different affiliates. So that shows you this product is working, people are buying it. It's obviously good quality, it's getting good reviews, and all of those factors contribute to the overall gravity score. And you're going to get $22.68 per sale that you make. Now, if you want to work out in terms of percentage, you can click on the link of the product. It will take you to the Done For You landing page that I was talking about with the Done For You sales video, the Done For You checkout system, where immediately off the bat, customers that you refer will get $20 off this product. So it's marked down from $47 to $27. And if we work that out, you're making $22. So that means this product is paying over a 90% commission per sale that you make, which is absolutely crazy. And there's a huge New Year's sale going on at the moment for the next 17 hours. So to go and get your affiliate link for this product, click on promote. Enter your affiliate nickname that you created when you signed up on ClickBank, click on generate hop link, and you'll be able to copy your affiliate link over here. So when I go and paste this in a new tab, this link will take me through to the same landing page, but this link now knows that when people purchase this product, it needs to send those commissions to my ClickBank account, where I can then withdraw to Stripe, PayPal, or direct to bank. So that is why it is super important that you make sure you use your affiliate link. And the next thing you want to go and do is paste that in the bio, like this person has done over here, of their Facebook page. Okay, so now you have a Done For You Facebook page. You have Done For You content. You have a Done For You smoothie product related to your smoothie content to go and sell. So therefore, you have an entire business model, which I've given you here in today's video completely for free. This is stuff that I shouldn't be giving away for free on YouTube. I could easily be charging you guys for a $300 course, but here it is for free. Why? Because it doesn't affect me if I give you my strategies. There's 8 billion people in this world. There's always a market for anything and a market for everybody, no matter what they're selling. And you can simply start running ads on your videos on Facebook from the 1 or 2 first sales that you get to really start generating traction. And from there, that's how a full-on Facebook page gets 6-7 million views or followers, is because it becomes a snowball effect. So that is why I recommend in the first 30 days, post once every single day so that you can start to get that initial traction. If you have zero money to invest at all, then I recommend use the money from the sales that you make by posting initially to start reinvesting that into your page to start running Facebook ads. So really fantastic strategy that you can become just an AI copycat on Facebook to start generating a full affiliate business and full-time income on your Facebook page. Now, if you guys want to learn more about creating your own funnels, creating your own email campaigns, creating your own high-ticket products, I'm going to give you my entire affiliate marketing course here on YouTube completely for free. And I'm also going to give you over here my entire Kartra training playlist. This playlist will teach you how to create funnels from scratch without any coding knowledge, without having to study a 4-year computer science degree. What a degree in 4 years studying computer science, this playlist will teach you in just a couple of days, simply because information in today's world is such a commodity. You can find most of the stuff they teach in varsity for free on YouTube, and that's exactly how I learned where I got to where I am today. Just constant study, constant learning. That's how I come up with these strategies, and that's why I want you to take action with us. So I recommend after you've watched this video, set everything up, start having a look at one or two of these free courses here on YouTube. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. All of it is completely for free. Choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you on the inside.